Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this RayBan model, RB2132, and color code 902L. It's a tortoise color frame. On the temples here we have a silver RayBan writing. This is the inside of the frame. Havana pattern color. Made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple, it's the same. The lenses are a green color. They are G15 lenses. And at the top right we have a RayBan writing in white. And over here an RB logo engraved in the left lens. The style of this frame is fashion Wayfarer. Up here we have a RayBan gift box, a case for your glasses, and a microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.